The Epigenase m6A Demethylase activity inhibition assay kit provides a convenient method for assessing N6-methyladenosine eraser enzymes. The kit utilizes a simple ELISA-based procedure to rapidly and accurately quantify m6A demethylase activity. Compatibility with purified enzymes and nuclear protein extracts allows you to examine both in vitro and in vivo inhibitor effects. In the assay, a unique M6A substrate is stably coated on microplate wells. Active M6A erasers in your samples bind to and demethylate the substrate. The remaining methylation, which is inversely proportional to enzyme activity, is then recognized by a high-affinity M6A antibody and measured colorimetrically using a standard plate reader. The kit includes all essential components needed to perform the assay. To begin, prepare the standard curve by diluting the assay standard with demethylase buffer to create a range of concentration points, as outlined in the user guide. Arrange the required number of well strips in the plate frame. Add binding solution to all wells. Load the prepared standards into duplicate wells. Add M6A substrate to each sample well. To blank wells, add demethylase buffer instead of substrate. Gently shake the plate to mix, cover the strips, and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. Remove the binding solution and wash the wells 3 times with wash buffer. Add final demethylase buffer to all wells. Then, load your samples in duplicate with or without inhibitors. Cover the strips and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 60 to 90 minutes. Aspirate the reaction solution and wash the wells 3 times with wash buffer. Add capture antibody to all wells, cover the strips, and incubate at room temperature for 60 minutes. When incubation is complete, perform 3 washes and add detection antibody to all wells. Cover and incubate at room temperature for 30 minutes, then wash the wells 4 times. Incubate with enhancer solution for another 30 minutes at room temperature, then perform 5 washes. Add developer solution. Monitor closely as a blue color develops. When the desired intensity is reached, add stop solution. The color will change from blue to yellow, and the plate is ready for measurement. Using the absorbance values, calculate the M6A demethylase activity or inhibition in your samples. With the Epigenase kit, you'll achieve fast, sensitive, and accurate measurement of M6A demethylase activity or inhibition. For more information, visit EpigenTek.com or contact your local distributor.